Okay, I just got a whole lot of tapes here from user Dr. Bo off of eBay. Good tape collector. Only thing is, there's one thing wrong with this picture. I was sent a Whitney Houston tape. Didn't order this, it just probably got thrown in here. I don't really want it. I don't think I know anybody else would want it. It's a tape. I don't know any tape collectors who would want this thing. You can get it digitally. So I think there's just one thing to do with it, and I think I know exactly what that is. Here's the tape. First we will disassemble it. This is the worst screwdriver. And it's a pain in the ass to get this. Okay. Alright. Tape is disassembled. There's the inside of it. So, I found the best way to get rid of it. Absorb. So long. And that's how we get rid of a Whitney Houston tape. So long, more Full House coming soon.